What it do, broskies? Welcome to the vlog. It's your boy. We back at it again. I'm actually gonna go steal my brother's car technically because he wants to wrap it like my Z, you know, big bro, trying to be that little bro, you know, he trying to flex. So I'm gonna go actually steal his car, bring it here, I'm gonna wrap it, and I'm gonna give it back to him, and we're gonna see his reaction. Let's go. I don't know if y'all can see, it's a little bit dark. I just picked up my brother's car. This is gonna be a little pit my ride out here, but we're gonna go see Milo. And yeah, we're about to drive real quick. Sit. El Honda. Yeah, I got it right now. I'm about to go pimp it out. Now we're waiting until we get home. So it's the next day. Kind of sick, so I sound like this because I'm sick. But I'm gonna try to do little pieces. I already did a little bit pre-cuts. I'm gonna see how this goes. So let's rock and roll. Fender is basically done. It was actually pretty easy. Look, all my corners are done. I already got everything I need to get done. So let me drop the hood real quick. Can't show you all this, you know. He's running spoon engines. Just know he's running spoon engines out here. You see, back up a little bit. So I should have the car done in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Yeah, so as you can see, my brother's car is done with a new wrap. We did try to fix the grill. All that was messed up. Painted it. I did have bubbles on that area on the other side. I'm about to fix that up right now. My boy's fixing up his wheels, just cleaning them up because we're about to go give it to him right now. My brother is a very, very picky person, so we'll see his reaction, how he is. Guarantee you that he's gonna say something. That's how it looks. Full walk around. This wrap is called Blue Gym. I do have it on the Z. All right, and my brother did copy your boy right here, and this is the original color that I had. He wanted to wrap it the same, so this is it. I still got a couple things I got to fix on this one, but yeah, hopefully he actually likes it. I'm about to go give it to him in a little bit, and let's go.
Like it? Yeah, you like it?
Dude, that thing has no AC, bro. Yeah. You like it, little man? You like it? All right, so now I can leave the little beetle. On to the next one. See you guys in the next video.